Jersey off. Okay, open your toy. That's for Jers.
He's like plastic.
What'd you get, Jers?
No.
Oh, she wants the treats. What'd you get? Jersey, you got a toy. Look at that's from Mama. Get it out of the plastic.
Rip the plastic.
She's doing it. You don't have to do it in a million pieces. Psst. Open it, Jers. Open it. Woo!
Don't fall.
Look at Mama.
Oh my gosh. Jersey, you got a toy. That's a toy from Mama. Do you like it? I think she likes the she's like a little kid. She likes the wrapping. Whoa, Jersey. Oh, you made it talk. Woo!
Mommy, I have a bell.
Oh, cool.
Oh, great. I want a bell on my shoe.
Jersey, do you like your toy? Read, reverse.